Yes, I am audible properly.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, heading right. Combinations of cells. Like we have resistance in series parallel, there can be cells also in series parallel. So first series combination. This is one battery of EMF E1, internal resistance R1. Where will be the direction of current? Right or left? Yes, where will be the direction of current? Right or left?
Right.
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 नहीं नहीं, लेफ्ट होगा ना, पॉजिटिव से करंट स्टार्ट होता है ना, ऐसे लेफ्ट में जाएगा ना करंट. Got it? Now why it will be left?
Yes.
So if I connect battery in same sense, second also, what will be direction of current?
Same direction.
Left, same direction. So they are called assisting each other, which we saw in sum and difference method. So if I've got resistance, batteries connected assisting with each other as shown, then equivalent battery E equivalent and R equivalent in series will be E is E1 plus E2 dot dot dot, and R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 dot dot dot. If reverse connected, then plus will become minus. Copy this series combination wala. All are same nature, assisting each other, सबका current same direction. Till today, how many sums you all have to complete?
100.
100.
Till today 100 you have to complete. So today can I keep late evening doubt solving 10 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Because तब तक आपका हो जाएगा. Because जल्दी रखोगा तो होएगा नहीं. चलेगा क्या निजा? Yes, Nija, 10 o'clock, or we'll shift to tomorrow 9 o'clock as you say.
Sir, tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Possible? No, why it is not possible? So tomorrow can I keep bit early? Thursday, what time you all are free for doubt solving? Because I have to complete till 100 for you.
From 9 only, evening.
9 only? Okay. Is it convenient tomorrow 9 o'clock then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Whenever you feel like not to be kept, to tell me honestly, don't worry. Because extra when you are coming, I do respect you all.
Done.
Okay. So cells in series, if they are assisting, resultant EMF is all addition, and equivalent resistance is also all addition. So I'm clearing this. Done, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aditya Iyer,
Yes, sir.
just now you joined.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had my classes till 11:20.
So just write down this fast.
Yes, sir.
Cells in series, जरा fast करो. Ron, can I clear?
Yes, sir. Done.
Karan Bora.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how the things are going on?
Fine, sir.
Okay. One cell. This is another cell. E1, E2, R1, R2. These two are assisting or opposing?
Opposing.
Opposing.
So what will be E equivalent? E1 minus E2 if E1 is greater than E2. And R will not change, ये series वाला ही आएगा R1 plus R2. चलो लिखो ये भी फटाफट. देखो ये पार्ट ना अपना 12th का सिलेबस में नहीं है. इनफैक्ट NCERT का है, and in entrance they ask from NCERT. So I am doing this extra, not for 12.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now based on this combination, one question. N cells, each of EMF, E and internal resistance small r are connected in series, and an external resistance capital R is connected to the combination. If polarity of M cells are reversed, polarity of M cells are reversed, find current in external resistance. Copy. Question copy, then I'm explaining. Vaishnav, you wait after the lecture. Nandan, you also wait after the lecture.
Done.
Okay. Now see what it is given. N cell, each of EMF E and internal resistance R are connected in series. So this is suppose one cell, EMF E, internal resistance R. Second cell, EMF E, internal resistance R. This way there are N cells connected in series. क्या लिखा है इसमें? Across external resistance capital R. Polarity of M cell is reversed. What is meaning of reversed? मतलब ऐसा उल्टा कर दिया ना, ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कितना सेल को उल्टा किया? M cells.
M cells.
M cells को उल्टा किया, बराबर. They want what is करंट थ्रू एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस। आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो कि ये पूरा सेल को अगर एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस के साथ कनेक्ट किया, देन करंट आई इज टोटल वोल्टेज अपॉन टोटल रेजिस्टेंस। यही होने वाला है ना फॉर्मूला।
Yes.
सो टोटल वोल्टेज का तो मुझे मालूम नहीं, but total resistance will be NR plus capital R. I hope denominator you followed. Denominator followed. Denominator.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अगर ऐसा दो सेल है, एक को रिवर्स किया खाली, एक को, तो रिजल्ट क्या आया? ये ई है। रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 0 ना?
0.
ओके करेक्ट 0। हाँ, अभी एक सेल, दो सेल, तीन सेल, एक को रिवर्स किया, व्हाट रिजल्ट विल कम? 2e minus 1e ना?
E.
E. What you did? 2e minus 1.
Yeah.
2e means total 3 minus 1 उसका e minus 1e. I hope followed. Okay, followed.
Yes.
Now I have suppose 5 cells, one is reversed. So 1 2 3 4.
3.
एक सेकंड, हाँ आंसर 3 बराबर, लेकिन टोटल 5 में से एक को रिवर्स किया, ये बच गया o और माइनस 1 है, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
तो हम हमारे पास कितना सेल है? n सेल है ना?
Yeah.
रिवर्स कितने को लगाया?
M.
तो बच गया n माइनस m होएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
इसका टोटल ईएमएफ ई, उसमें से माइनस m ही करना पड़ेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर ये नहीं समझा तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते। सब लोग कही गए में क्या करेंगे? एन ई सेल माइनस एम ई उल्टा, खत्म, ये रॉन्ग। n में से m करेक्ट है, तो इसका टोटल माइनस एम ई, नॉट फॉलोड।
Followed, sir.
Now if I open the bracket, it will be NE minus ME minus ME. Therefore, ये NE minus 2ME I will get. So E into N minus 2M, not followed. Hello?
Followed, sir. Followed, sir.
So answer is N minus 2M E upon NR plus R. That means N cell correct, M उल्टा तो माइनस M, ये एक्चुअल बच गया वोल्टेज जो ऐड करने थे, उसमें से M, ऐसा कुछ भी रहेगा, you have to follow same sequence. Very very important sum. Anybody who has not followed, tell me first, honestly. Not following is not a crime, but after following, doing mistake is a crime. Got it? Yes, please solve. अच्छा, अभी कितना चल रहा है? ओके, इसको अपन 6 में रखते हैं, 6 में। कितना है अभी? 90 में रखते हैं, ज्यादा हो गया। 85 है। नहीं, मैंने सुना है कि वो होएगा 700 तक जाएगा, इसे 90 तक रखते हैं, देखते हैं। ठीक ठीक।
Done, sir.
For parallel, you remember, na, last class I explained E equivalent is E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 divided by 1 upon R1
1 by
plus
R1 plus 1 by R2.
So you are knowing that. And one sum also I had done, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now see one more sum. Six volt plus minus 1 ohm, one battery, another battery, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. This is 4 volt, 10 volt. Find E equivalent and R equivalent. These two are in parallel, na? These two, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that means if I find result of that, तो ये दोनों का एक इक्विवेलेंट, इक्विवेलेंट, अभी 10 बड़ा है मतलब ये निगेटिव साइड वाला बचेगा, इक्विवेलेंट एंड आर इक्विवेलेंट. अभी देखते हैं फिर एंड में क्या है. फॉर पैरेलल what will be E equivalent? E1 upon R1 minus E2 upon R2 divided by 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. I am correct here till this?
Yes.
So 10 upon 2 minus 4 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. 10 upon 2 is 5 minus this will be 3, no, 2 upon half is 1. So 3 by 1, okay? So that means this is 3. I hope you followed. Yes, followed?
Yes, sir.
And 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. That will become 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is 1. So R equivalent is 1. Just complete this much. Parallel wale ka we got answer. That is connected in series with 6 ohm, 6 volt, 1 ohm. So final answer E total will be 6 minus 3, that is 3 volt, and R equivalent will be 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Solve. R total. Now followed, now this entire combination is one cell of 3 volt and one resistance of 2 ohms. Aman followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pranjali, Isha, Neha,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Arya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you heard that 12th standard exam got cancelled? Other than state board
CBSE
so
and
far?
ICSE.
Even state board will cancel. But not the entrance. So इसलिए entrance के पीछे रखो. 12th का क्या होएगा? We are not aware. आपका तो होएगा exam. But still, 12th can be doubtful. Entrance will be there. So do lot of MCQs. After 4 tests, I am keeping theory test. That also do seriously. Indirectly, you have to study regularly. That's all. For your doubts also, you are coming for extra class. So that means everything you are doing. Now I don't foresee any reason you will get less mark. Aditya Pillai, if you are hearing, you will wait after the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Next. If n cells each of EMF capital E and internal resistance small r are connected in parallel. Find equivalent, E equivalent and R equivalent. So one cell E R, they are connected in parallel as shown. What will be E equivalent? E by R plus E by R n times, correct na? Because there are n cells in parallel,
Yes. Yes, sir.
and 1 upon R also n times, that is E equivalent formula. So it will be Ne upon R, 1 R, 1 upon R, 1 upon R, 1 upon R is n by R, so equivalent will be E. And R equivalent will be 1 by R n times, that will become 1 upon R equivalent is n by R, so R equivalent R by L. I hope this also you have followed.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
6 volt, 2 ohm, 6 volt, 2 ohms, 3 volt, 1 ohm. Again we want equivalent. अब ये देखो, ये सेम पहले जैसे ऊपर वाले जैसे ना 6 2 are in parallel. So what will be its equivalent? Tell me. 6 2. Either you solve or if you know logic. Same are in parallel means answer एक ही आता है ना. And 2 2 का 1 हो जाएगा, बराबर ना?
Yes.
See, if doesn't click then वो formula 6 upon 2 plus 6 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, or 2, they are in parallel, same value, 6 will remain 6, 2 2 ka parallel 1, and this is 3 volt 1 ohm. Now these are in series. What will be equivalent? Tell. Is it 9 volt?
Yes, sir.
And 1 plus 1 2.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 9 volt 2 ohm. Copy.
Done, sir.
Now, mixed grouping cell we'll see. Mixed grouping. These are not for 12th. Huh? You can write down not for 12. Only for entrance you have to prepare. M rows of cell and each rows has n cells. Each cell has EMF capital E having internal resistance small r. We have to find E equivalent, R equivalent. Third, R external is capital R connected with combination. Find current I in external resistance R. And fourth point, find relation between small m, small n, small r, capital R such that I becomes maximum. Fifth, find what is that I max. Write questions, then one by one I'm explaining.
Done, sir.
Now see meaning of this statement and one by one we'll solve all the questions. There are total m rows. In each rows there are n cells. So first row, 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell. Total there are n cells. Each of EMF E and internal resistance R. And number of rows are m rows. So one row, so total there are dot 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 here m rows present. M rows. Can I say this is equivalent to E, E, E? All are in series. So how many E? Tell in this one row how many E?
N.
N times E. And how many internal resistance total? NR, na?
NR.
NR, correct. So this all are connected in parallel. All are connected in parallel. Total how many rows it is said? M rows. E, N, E, M times NR, NR also in M rows. Tell me what will be E equivalent now? N parallel. So only NE will come now.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
And R equivalent will be what? NR divided by M. Because two equal resistance in parallel, then R by 2. 3, R by 3. NR, then NR by M. Okay? This part clear with you all?
Yes, yes.
Just copy this much, then I will draw equivalent with this information.
Done, sir.
That means my final equivalent will look like this. This is a battery having total voltage and total resistance is NR by M connected to external resistance capital R. We want what is condition for maximum current and what is that current flow. From this, can you tell what will be I? I is total voltage NE upon total resistance NR upon M plus capital R. That will become NE upon NR plus MR divided by M. So I will be M N E upon M NR plus M capital. Copy this much. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, what do you mean by m into n? Is it number of cell? M rows और एक एक में n cell. So
Yes,
n
sir.
cell. हाँ, तो
Yes,
that means here number of cells is m into n. I want current to be maximum. Current maximum तभी रहेगा जब denominator minimum होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say for I to be maximum, denominator mr plus n into small r should be minimum? Okay.
Yes.
This means m capital R plus n small r, I can write as root of mr minus root of nr small r plus 2 times root of m mn capital R small r. बराबर है ये? A plus b, can you write as a minus b the whole square plus 2ab? That will become a square
Yes.
minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना, रूट में लिखा है इसलिए वो a मिलेगा ना आपको ये.
Yes, sir.
तो ये मैथमेटिकल पार्ट था ये. Everybody has followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now to get minimum value, ये वाला टर्म जीरो हो जाना चाहिए ना, स्क्वायर टर्म,
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज निगेटिव पॉजिटिव के लिए वो स्क्वायर से ज्यादा होएगा. बट फॉर मिनिमम वैल्यू the square term must be zero. The square term must become zero. So root of m capital R minus n small r should become zero. Just copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Even that till end r equal to nr upon small n.
Yes, sir.
Please practice today only this part 2 times so that you remember the condition. So for maximum current, we should have small capital R as nr upon small n, or small r should be mr upon small n. So I'm just clearing this part and finding what is maximum current. That means indirectly for maximum current, you got M times external resistance is N times internal resistance. So I maximum is Mn upon E upon M capital R plus N small r. That will become MNE, and these two are equal. Means I can write 2 times N times N small r. N cancel. That is Ne upon 2 into small r. Or I maximum is Mn into E. Nr I can write Mr. So 2 times capital M capital R. That is Ne upon 2 times capital R. Two possibilities. देखो जब भी M आया तो नीचे 2 टाइम्स स्मॉल r आया, और N आया तो नीचे 2 टाइम्स कैपिटल N, मतलब वो सेल इन सीरीज था. Followed the two condition, either capital M into E upon 2 times small r or N E upon 2 times capital R. Copy full, and please practice 2 times today itself, otherwise it will be difficult to remember. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर एंड एनर्जी पे कर लेते हैं, 11th स्टैंडर्ड का टॉपिक है. इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर and energy related. So now combination of cell series parallel, it is clear if you practice one time, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Electrical power and energy. You all know, I think, what is power? Rate of doing work, na?
Yes.
Work done per unit time. Work done is nothing but Pi, T upon time. That means it is Pi, correct? Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can write this formula also as I square R equals to V square by R. So three formula, Vi, I square R, V square by R. Second, we can say energy is power into time, or rate of doing change in energy is also power. So you can say dE is P times dt. Integration of dt is P times dt. Integration of dE is nothing but total energy E, P times dt. P I can write I square R into dt. I will remain constant through a DC cell. If I is constant, then E can be written as I square r integration of dt from 0 to t, which you also know it is I square RT, or energy means VIT, or energy means V square upon RT. Right, both formula, energy as well as power.
Done, sir.
So we did cell ka combination, series parallel, and now power and energy related. फिर एक resistance series parallel. This chapter will be completely completed. Current I is 3 ampere flowing through resistance of 2 ohm for time 3 seconds. I want energy. What is formula for energy? Energy means heat energy. V square upon R into T, or I square RT. Here I and R are present. So I is 3, R is 2, time is 3, 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 3, 54 joules. Easiest one. Next one. This Sunday's test portion, are you aware, or shall I remind you again?
1 to 250 some side.
Pardon? 1 to
250.
250?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Current I is varying with time flowing through resistance of 2 ohm in 2 seconds, we want what is the energy dissipated. Now energy dissipated is I dt, sorry, power P dt, because current is varying. So P dt will write. That is nothing but I square R dt, which will become 2t square into R dt ka integration. So R is constant. We can write that also. 4t square into 2 dt. 8t square dt ka integration from 0 to 2 seconds. So that means 8t raised to 3 upon 3 from 0 to 2 seconds. That will be 8 by 3, you take common, 2 cube minus 0 cube. 8 by 3 into 2 cube is 8, 64 upon 3 cubes. Right now. मैडम कितने महीने में कितनी बार आपको कॉल करो? ऐसा कुछ रूल है क्या? 500, 600, 1000 ऐसा बोल दिया आपको, जब तक आदमी बोलता नहीं है चाहिए तब तक कॉल करो? कितनी बार? कभी कभी तो खाली कॉल्ड वाला होता है, कभी कभी पर्सनल होता है, कभी मुंबई से होता है, कभी हैदराबाद से होता है, कभी गुड़गांव से होता है। कैंसिल कर दो ना, कितनी बार बोल रहा हूँ नहीं चाहिए।
Done, sir.
Okay. This is one resistance, this is another resistance. 3 ohm, 6 ohm are in parallel. This is 2 ohm. Battery of 12 volt. Find energy spent in 3 ohm resistor in 3 seconds. Second, energy spent in whole circuit in same 3 seconds. Whole circuit in 3 seconds, then only in 3 ohms we want. Just complete this, then I'm clearing this space for calculation purpose. Better, na? Energy spent in 3 ohm in 3 seconds, then whole circuit in 3 seconds. To get energy spent in whole circuit, you require total voltage, total resistance, or total current, total resistance, or total current, total voltage. Best is here resistance we can find because total voltage is 12. What is total resistance? Can you tell? It is 3 in parallel with 6 plus 2 ohm. Correct now? Hello?
Yes.
So 3 into 6, 18 upon 3 plus 6 plus 2, 18 upon 9 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 2, total 4 ohm. Now, if I want total current, because खाली इसके अंदर भी चाहिए करंट निकाल लेता हूँ. Current I is total voltage upon total resistance, that is 3 ampere. Voltage across first one, voltage across this will be I into that R1. I is 3 and R is 2, that is 6 volt. Now it is simple. Voltage across 2, this is R2, R3. Voltage across second and voltage across third are same because they are in parallel. That will become total voltage minus 6 volt equals to 6. Now I can find power dissipated in 3 also, power energy in all. So from this energy in 3 ohm will be V2 square upon R2 into time t. Correct na? So V2 square means 6 square and R2 is 3, time is given 3, 3 will become cancelled. So you will get 36 joule. This is energy spent in 3 ohm. Now total energy spent, energy in complete circuit. Complete circuit will be total voltage, total resistance, time V square upon R. So 12 square upon total resistance 4, time is 3. 12 square 144 upon 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 624, 108 joule. Have you followed this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please copy then fold. Completed?
Done, sir.
You all have done? एक छोटा सा करता हूँ बल्ब रिलेटेड, ठीक है? Bulbs. This is one bulb of 100 watt to 20 volt. Now first this rating का meaning you understand. This means at 220 volt it will dissipate 100 watt, that is 100 joule per second. 220 volt नहीं होगा तो 100 watt नहीं आएगा. इसका मतलब है 100 watt will be the power if voltage is 220. Copy. Hello? Okay, अभी कितना बजे? 680 पे यूज करना स्टॉप लॉस ऊपर का निकाल दो. हाँ चलेगा. गया तो अच्छा तो ठीक है ना, अपन 5 रुपए नीचे रखते हैं. हाँ हाँ चलेगा. Written the meaning of this 100 watt means at 100 watt will be only when 220 volt you are giving. I'm cancelling this. इसका एक example देख लेते हैं meaning of this. This is one bulb of 100 watt 220 volt. 100 watt 220 volt. Same bulb we are connecting to 110 volt supply. Now we want what will be the power. अभी 220 होगा तभी 100 watt का पावर मिलेगा. दोनों फिलामेंट में आर सेम है ना, सेम बल्ब है इसलिए बोथ आर सेम. ये रेटिंग है. रेटिंग मतलब इससे ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते, वो ब्लो हो जाएगा. R is constant if bulb is same, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
is power formula in voltage and resistance? V square by R. मतलब P1 upon P2 will be V1 square upon V2 square. So can I say 100 upon P2 will be V1 220 and V2 is 110 square. This is 2. So P2 will be 110 upon 2 square is 4. 100 upon 4. That is 25 watt. बराबर?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो पावर कम हो गया क्या, ज्यादा हो गया क्या, सेम है? कम.
कम हो
Bulb,
गया.
मतलब bulb will become dim. So sometimes they can ask bulb will be dim or bright. Power check करो. पहले से पावर कम तो dim हो जाएगा, ज्यादा तो bright होएगा ज्यादा. Write this example. Today we'll stop here. Complete this much. One more lecture I will take for that series parallel combination, so that nothing is left unturned with that 250 sums ka doubt solving. So tomorrow doubt solving till 100, timing 9 to 10.
Sir,
Yes beta.
sir, tomorrow night 9 to 10 I am not free.
Where you are going?
Sir, I have my classes.
So late night class. Arey,
Yeah, 9 to 10, my doubt lecture.
9 to 10 you have doubt lecture. Can we make it
Yes.
early? Tell me your timing.
Sir, from 3 to 8, I'm free.
3 to 8 you are free. Any student is free between 3 to 8. Others are free.
No, sir.
3 to 8 का बीच में कोई भी free नहीं है. 5 to 6, 6 to 7 ऐसा कुछ तो.
So morning also okay.
Sir, after 5:30.
After 5:30 you all are free. 6 to 7
No,
can I?
sir.
No. And I don't mind a morning. I have got class. See, I will tell my timing when I am free, so that you tell me whether between that you are free or not. Tomorrow is Thursday, correct? Thursday I have got 7:30 say lecture till 7:30 to 9, 10, 12:30, 12:30 to 1:30, 1:30 to 2:30 चलेगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर चलेगा.
सबको चलेगा? लॉक कर दो.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, I have my chemistry class at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Then you leave ना. जैसे ही आ जाएगा क्लास का टाइम.
Okay, sir. Okay,
1:30 sharp you join. चलेगा?
okay, sir.
Or one more slot I can tell you. One more. After 2:30, 4, 6 to 7. 7 to 10 के बीच में, 11 के बीच में कुछ
सुबह को.
नहीं शाम इवनिंग. Or this is convenient for others except one student.
Sir, I also have class at 2.
नहीं तो फिर ढाई हो जाएगा ना, फिर 2 को रखेंगे तो.
सर सुबह 7:30 to 8:30 रख सकते हैं.
नहीं, मेरा एक्चुअली 7:30 लेक्चर है. See, I've got lecture 7:30 to 9:30 first slot, then 10 to 11:30 another one. 11:30 चलेगा.
हाँ
11:30 to 12:30 चलेगा क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So only possibility is then 10 o'clock evening. That is okay. 10 o'clock evening. Because
Yes,
then
sir.
mentally you are relaxed ना, किधर जाने का घाई नहीं है. We may complete early. 10 o'clock चलेगा क्या? बोल दो.
Yes, sir.
Evening, right?
हाँ, evening.
Yeah. Fine.
Evening 10 o'clock.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Complete everything. Because see, you are also totally packed. So we have to find some time. Luckily in COVID, we all are at home. We can manage that late evening wala time. That is advantage for us. Only those who are sleeping early, थोड़ा सा उस दिन तकलीफ होएगा आपको.
Thanks.
Done, na? So that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow in evening doubt solving session.